Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can import Figma designs to Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the page, you're going to find all of the sites that you created on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, and then go ahead and hover your mouse over it, and then give it a click. After that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. In the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So right now, just wait for this page to load. This is going to be the editor page for your Wix site. So once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. Here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, if you want to add an element, just go and click on Add Elements right here or on this plus icon. And then as you can see, guys, right here, you can import or add a text. You can add an image, button, strip, decorative, box, and so on. So if you want to import a design from outside, just click on Image and then go to Upload and Import, and then click on Upload Images. And then once you do that, as you can see, guys, you can either upload from your computer or you can just choose to upload it from a URL. For example, if you want to import it from a URL, just click here on this option and then paste your link. You can also import it from Instagram, Facebook, Google Drive, and so on. Once you add it, go ahead and click on Add to Page, and then it will be added to your Wix site. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.